And hello, welcome to this video. So last time I think I've actually made a video that talks about some of the IP tools, internet IP address tools that can be used in Linux. Now I want to talk about it in the Windows version in case you need to do your stuff. So let me start off with the arc table. Let me start off with the arc table, and the command is very similar to that of Windows. You can actually just Google this online, how to find arc table in Windows. Okay, you will just use this arc parameter with /A, or you can use a -A if you want. This will show you the arc table. It will show you the internet address as well as the physical or MAC address. It will also tell you the type of IP address that's being assigned, whether it is a dynamic or static. Now, of course, this table isn't very useful by itself. It's just a bunch of numbers, but yeah, you will be able to find where each device is connected to the IP address. Okay. All of this is not human readable, but it contains a lot of important data. And from the physical address, you can actually find the type of chip that is being connected to this IP address. Okay. For example, let's take a look at this one. 48DD0C blah blah blah. How do you actually determine what kind of chip it is? So the way I like to look at is using this MAC address vendor lookup, macaddress.io. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, so don't copy the IP address, copy the physical address, and then you just paste it here. And what does the MAC address tell you? It will tell you that this chip 48DD0C is from Arrow Inc. Okay, Arrow Inc. I think is router kind of thing, so that's the gateway, so to speak. Okay, let's try another bit here. I have no idea what this is, but this one, it looks like it's coming from Roku, and you can even search the address of the company right here. Okay, it's a very useful thing. It's found in San Jose. Okay, Bay Area stuff. So let me close this. Yeah, it's in the US, Roku. Okay, so you're able to find what kind of chips are connected just by using the macaddress.io, and of course you need to find the MAC address as well. Okay. Alright, so again, I want to show you it is okay, MAC address. Okay, macaddress.io. Okay, just make sure you come to this page, macaddress.io. Okay, so that is how you get the arc table, and usually the arc table will also tell you all the IP addresses of things that are found on your network. Okay, every single device connected to your network. Okay, your computer will have a arc table entry for it. Alright, so next thing I want to talk about is the ipconfig. Okay, 347 ipconfig. ipconfig is a very common to use debugging tool. ipconfig. Okay, so this is the shorthand version. Okay, what ipconfig will tell you is the IP version 6 address. So this is from the wireless adapter. Okay, FEAT blah blah blah. IP version 4 address 192.168.7241, and this is the gateway. Okay, the gateway is this 192.168.41 for this case. So if you're not sure what is the gateway, you can use ipconfig. If you want to have it in more detail, ipconfig-a will ipconfig/all. Okay, you cannot use the dash. ipconfig/all. Okay, that will show you a lot more pieces of information. For example, what's the MAC address? Okay, MAC address of these two, what do you call it, virtual adapters. There's an Ethernet adapter This one is a Bluetooth device from your personal area network. Okay, and lots of other good things. Of course, the subnet mask is already given here. I've discussed subnet mask before if you have watched the last videos. So this is the ipconfig part. Now let me also show you some useful tools. Okay, maybe I want to show you the useful tools. Okay, but there are tools you can use online, like if you search online for how to... Okay, maybe that one you can do yourself. You can Google online some software to download to help you scan your IP network. I won't be going through some of them today, but yeah, I just want to show you some useful sites that you can use from the command line to decipher what is going on your local network. Okay, just two commands, -a and ipconfig, and if you want the ipconfig /all version, you can do that as well. So that's all. Thanks for watching.